Hi guys, Ashish this side. So today we are going to see how does ETL works in Power Query Excel. In each workplace, people spend a lot of time in extracting data from different tools to analyze the data. Power Query tools helps in extracting the data, transforming the data, and load the data back into Excel for analysis into pivot tables or charts. If you are managing some kind of data or manage the data in any organization, I'm sure you must have done the task of extracting, transforming, and loading the data in any way. Let's see how Power Query helps you out in extracting the data from multiple sources. You can see the same option in Excel Power Query tab. This is just to give you an overview on the sources. I'll be creating smaller videos on each part so that you can check the video as per your requirement. Extracting the data from file, be it another Excel workbook, text, CSV file, XML, JSON, PDF, or files in one folder where you can just load the data in few seconds. Extracting the data from database, you need to check the database tool for your organization, be it SQL Server, MS Access. It can help you in extracting the data. Another platform, Microsoft Azure. Extracting from other sources. I use it as a table range quite often and from web when I need to extract a copy of Google Sheet in Excel. Now the next task is to transform the data. Once you load the data, it will give you preview on the transforming the data. After transforming, the final task is to load back into the Excel. We have the option of close and load when transformation is done and you can easily load back data into the Excel. That's it for the video. Kindly like and subscribe my channel for supporting. Thank you.